Good,
How
sir.
is the preparation going on? Okay. So let us discuss first the graph. Okay. I want to make you more understand the graph. Do you remember sin x and cos x graph? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you remember that? Okay. So I'm drawing just the graph of sin x and cos x. Just have a look. So this is the graph of sin x. Okay. This is the graph of sin x. And what is the graph of cos x? So somehow this is the graph of cos x. Do you agree? What are the angles? 0, this angle, pi by 2, this angle, pi, this angle, 3 pi by 2, this angle, 2 pi. Tell me,
Yes, sir.
any doubt? Similarly, this is how much? Minus pi by 2, this is minus pi, this is minus 3 pi by 2, this is minus 2 pi. So just visualize it. When sin x value is maximum, see, it is 1 here. Then cos x value is what? 0, na? Tell me. Tell me, do you agree?
Yes.
When cos x is minimum, that is minus 1, sin x is what? 0. Are you getting it? And you can also say that if I shift my cos x graph to right hand side by an angle of pi by 2. Suppose this is the difference now. Just have a look. This angle difference is how much? Pi by 2, na? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So if I shift my cos x graph, will it overlap on sin x graph? Tell me. Will it overlap or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello? Otherwise, you can also say, if you shift your sin x graph by an angle of pi by 2, okay, either right hand side or left hand side, whatever, then also it will overlap the cos x graph. Do you agree? So many things you can get from the graph. Okay, so you can say that there is a phase difference of pi by 2 in between sin x and cos x graph. That's why you wrote na that cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Do you remember that? Or sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Do you remember that or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Odd multiple of pi by 2 plus minus theta, sine will convert into cos, cos will convert into sine, and it will get positive value or negative value. It depends upon the quadrant. Okay. Any doubt in this part? Tell me. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes,
Second
sir.
point.
Yes, sir.
I told you yesterday that sin x range is where to where? -1 to 1, na?
Yes, sir.
Sin 2x range?
-2.
Minus 2 to 2. Minus 1 to
I
1. Minus 1 to
I don't ask 2 sin x, okay? Sin 2x. So whatever be the angle here, it does not matter. If someone says sin 1000x, what is the inputs? 100x. Input is 100x. Then also range will be what?
minus 1 to 1.
Minus 1 to 1.
Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt? Just try this graph, okay? Sine 2x graph at your home. When you will plot a graph, you'll get the graph like this. This will be your what? Pi by 2. This will be your pi. You will get you will get at pi by 4, you will get sine 2 into pi by 4. It will be how much? You are getting 1, na? Tell me. Sine 2 into pi by 2. You will get how much? Sine pi, which is 0, na? Tell me.
Yes.
Hello. So, but what is the sin x graph? You will say, so sin x graph, it is just like this. This we used to get. Let me draw perfectly. This we used to get. Tell me. Tell me, sir. From 0
Yes,
to
sir.
pi, there is only upper curve, upper wave. But from 0 to pi in sine 2x, you will get both upper curve as well as lower curve. Is it clear? Tell me, is it clear or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So fourth point, if it is sine x plus k, where k is a constant, then what is the range? Again, minus 1 to 1. If it is sine ax plus b, I'm generalizing it. See, this is your input now. What is your input? This. Then again, minus 1 to 1. Is it clear? Tell me. Is it clear or not? Acha, what was our last question? Anyone? Yesterday's last question.
Y is equal to sine square x.
Okay. Let's do one question, okay? Range of y equals to sine 2 plus 6x plus, tell me. So, while finding the range, I taught you one concept, how to find. What we were doing, we were just putting the range, isn't it? Putting the range. Earlier question, what we used to do? Putting the range, da?
Yes, sir.
But here, if someone says, sir, I will put the range of sine x as well as cos x. No. That is incorrect, not correct. Got it? That is
We
not a
can
correct
simplify.
method. Yes, you have to simplify it into one trigonometric ratio. Then you can put the range of one trigonometric ratio. Why, sir? Because, see, for any particular x, the value of sine x is varying and the value of cos x is also varying. Is it same? Tell me.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. But while you are putting the range, so you have to be careful, na? You have to consider both. So in order to consider both, what you can do? You can simplify it. Sine 2 power 6x plus cos 2 power 6x can be simplified into what? I think this you have already done. Tell me.
The sine square whole cube x, cos square whole cube x.
Very good. All of you are getting? So please simplify it by yourself. Please simplify it by yourself. Tell me what you will get.
So 1 minus 3 sine square theta sine square x.
Can I
cos-
directly write down? Will you be getting it? Sine square x into cos square x you will get here. Any doubt, sir? Tell me. This is one. This is also one. Yes. Ayush, you are telling, na?
Yes, sir.
It's correct. 1 minus 3 sine square x cos square x. Is it clear, everyone? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, after that, what to do? Is this term telling you something? Just hear it out. What this term is telling you? Tell me. Can you hear it?
You can write in the form of sine 2x.
This sine square x and cos square x is telling, please give me 4. 4. They are asking you 4. Why? Because it is square. You can convert it into sine to theta formula, na? So 3 by 4. You can also write down 2 sine x cos x whole square, na? When you are writing whole square, that means 2 square is what? 4 sine square, cos square, cos square. Got it? So this is becoming how much, Ayush?
So sine 2 theta whole square.
Sine 2x whole square. Acha, Ayush, just now I told you, sine 2x range is where to where?
Close bracket minus 1 comma 1.
Acha, when you square it up, it will become what?
1 comma 1.
1 comma 1.
Just 0 comma 1. Sorry. 0 comma 1. Not 1 comma 1.
0 comma 1. Are you getting it, everyone? Why it is becoming 0 comma 1? Why it is becoming 0 comma 1? See, here it's 0, here it's 1, here it's minus 1. Okay. So if you square, suppose here it's minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 square is how much? 1 by 4. 1 by 2 square is how much? 1 by 4. Tell me. Hello? This is less than 1. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So in between 0 to 1, if you take any value and if you square it up, that will always come less than 1. Do you agree? And while you are squaring, then you will get positive number only, na? Tell me, sir. All of you know this. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this? Okay. After that, what to do? Tell me. Manit, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So 3 by 4 into 0 will be how much, Manit?
0.
And 3 by 4 into 1 will be how much?
3 by 4.
Acha, I want to do subtraction. So 1 minus 0 will be how much?
1.
1 minus 3 by 4 will be how much?
1 by 4.
Acha, Manit, if I am writing like this, is it better? This is maximum value and this is minimum value. So should we write down in this format? 1 by 4 comma 1.
Yes,
Minimum
sir.
to maximum. Isn't it? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So we are not writing like this. We are writing like this. Is it clear? Is it clear or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
1
sir.
by 4 comma 1 is your final answer. Is it clear, everyone? Any doubt? Tell me, sir. Any doubt? Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. This question. Find range of y equals to sine square x minus sine x plus 2. How to solve this? Anyone? This is what? Quadratic in
Quadratic
sine x, na? Yes, quadratic in sine. So can you make perfect square? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Perfect square of sine x. Tell me what I can write down. Completing the square. Tell me. Anyone? Hello, Shruti.
Why can't we use the quadratic formula?
What quadratic formula?
Like we can find the roots of this using quadratic formula.
So why you want to find out the roots? This is not saying that this is equals to 0. You need when y is 0. No, not this. They're asking for range, minimum and maximum value. So why you are making it as an equation and factorizing it, finding the roots? Are you getting it, Suti?
Yes, sir.
See, If you think that I will write down like this, sin x minus something k, k1, sin x minus k2. And then I will put the values here also, range here also. So it won't also help. Are you getting it? Tell me.
Yes.
Only at one place you have to put your range. Got it, Suti? So, how to write down the perfect square of this? Can I write down sin x minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 2 minus 1 by 4? Tell me. It's very easy.
Yes.
You know completing square or not? So this will be how much? 7 by 4. So sin x minus 1 by 2 whole square is there. Now, Suti, tell me. Now I want the, let us talk about minimum value first. So you will say, Shruti, that this term, sir, this term, the value of this term will be greater than or equals to 0. Do you agree? Why, sir?
Yes, sir.
Because
it's
of
a
this
square.
perfect square. Tell me, do you
Yes,
agree?
sir.
So is this applicable that this becomes 0? Is it applicable? Will it become 0, the inside term?
It can.
Yes.
I can.
When the value of this is 1 by 2. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So that means 0 plus 7 by 4. Minimum value will be 0 plus 7 by 4. Do you agree? Which is 7 by 4. And when it is happening? When x equals to how much? Huh?
1 by 2,
degree.
20 degree.
30,
30
sir.
degrees.
30 degrees,
30 degree you can say. Yes, it's fine. 30 degree, that means pi by 6. If someone says, sir, no, sir, 5 pi by 6 also, that is also fine. Do you agree? 5 pi by 6. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay. When will my y will be maximum? Anyone?
Sin x is 1.
Yes, sir.
When sin x is 1. Acha, acha. Okay, okay. Just have a look. 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 7 by 4. How much you are getting, Ayush?
Sir,
Sir, but it won't be 5 pi by 6, right?
Why?
Sir, because sine 180 minus theta.
Is sin theta only, na? Plus only. Plus 1 by 2 only, na?
Oh, wait, yeah, nothing.
Okay.
sir, you'll get 2.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me what you are getting 2. Acha, if I put in place of
You can
sin
put even
x,
0.
if I put minus 1, so what you are getting? Tell me. How much you are getting? 4. Are you getting 4? Tell me.
So,
Calculate it out. Tell me, sir.
support.
Yes, sir.
Acha, I can put my sin x. I will getting sin x will be minus 1, na? I can get the minus 1 value. So you can think that, sir, here it's perfect square. Whole square is there. So if I put the value of sin x negative minus 1 and 1 minus 1 more minus term is there. So this will add it up now. And whole square, that means it becomes a positive. So positive plus positive, it will be bigger number, na? Tell me. Are you getting it?
Yes,
So
sir.
it's better to put the value of sin x as minus 1 instead of 1. Otherwise, if you put 1 and here it's minus 1 by 2, so it will decrease the numbers. Tell me, are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it fine, everyone? So let me bring this here. Any doubt? Avino,
No, sir.
is it clear?
Plus, we have to use hit
Yes.
and trial method, or
Yeah, Shruti, you have to use hit and trial, means you have to just think. Okay. You have to just think what value I should put so that I can get maximum, I can get minimum. Is it clear?
yes,
So what would be my x? Tell me, Shruti.
3 pi by 2.
3 pi by 2. Any doubt? I'm just wanting the value in between 0 to 2 pi. That's why you are saying 3 pi by 2. Otherwise, many angles are there. Okay, I'm not going in that part. Is it clear, everyone? Any doubt? Tell me. Any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this part is clear.
Yes,
Last
sir.
part. Last part of this. This is clear, na? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Can I move further? Can I move further?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All
sir.
of you have noted down? Okay. So remember, whenever you get a quadratic in sine or cos, whatever, so make it perfect square. Is it clear? Completing the square. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
When you get sine as well as cos term, so you can make it in one term. Then you can put the range of one. Any trigonometric function, either sine or cos, whichever it can be converted. Okay, range of a sin x plus or minus b cos x. Y equals to this. You have to find the range of this. Okay, got it? Only 10 minutes I will take. That's all. Okay. So y equals to a sin x plus minus b cos x. So let us first discuss about plus, then I will be telling you about minus sign also. Okay, is it clear? So what I will do, you multiply numerator and denominator with a square plus b square. What I'm asking? Multiply numerator and denominator with a square plus b square. Is it clear? Tell me, sir. Is it clear?
Sir.
Now the question arises, sir, why you are doing like this? Okay, I will tell you. Don't worry. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
After that, now just have a look. Achha, this ratio a by root under a square plus b square, is it less than 1?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Denominator will be greater, na? This ratio?
Yes.
Okay.
You
So can I
find
say, can
sine
I
pi
take this one as cos theta? I'm taking theta, the different angle, not x. Is it clear? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I have considered this as cos theta, so you know the triangle, right angle triangle, this is 90. This angle is theta. So cos theta as a by root under a square plus b square. So this is a, this is root under a square plus b square. So this will be b. Tell me. This will be b. Do you agree? Using Pythagoras theorem, this is known. This is known. So using Pythagoras theorem, this will be b. Do you agree or not?
Yes, sir.
So this will be automatically sine theta, na? Tell me, Asmita.
Yes, sir.
Now, Asmita, tell me, if you got all these things, so are you getting any formula? Sense of any formula?
Yes,
This
sir.
is root under a. So cos theta into sine x plus sine theta into cos x. Are you getting at the sense of any formula, this part?
Sine x plus theta.
Very good, very good. So root under a square plus b square is already there. And you are saying, sir, it's sine x plus theta. Any doubt, anyone? And I want to make you understand one more thing. If you calculate tan theta from this triangle, tan theta will be how much? Tell me. B by a. So theta will be how much? Tan inverse b by a. Tan inverse b by a. I can write down like this. You don't have the you don't know the knowledge of inverse and all, but just remember that if tan theta is b by a, if you need theta only, so when you take this tan to this side, it will become tan inverse. Got it? Just remember as of now. Is it clear or not? Tell me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Acha. Sir, okay. When the case was a sin x plus b cos x, when it is minus, Then, so minus here, so minus here. Tell me, are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Acha. Now I will ask you, what is the range of this? Do you know the range?
Same as sin x.
-1 to 1.
Minus 1 to 1. So this is a constant. Now I told you earlier that your a and b are constant. So this square root term will be a constant. So constant into this will be what? Minus of root under b square to plus of root under a square b square. Do you agree? So this is the range or not? Tell me. This is the range
Yes,
of
sir.
y. So you have to remember. Is it clear? The range of this expression is this. Any doubt, sir? And from the examination point of view, it's one of the very most important part. Definitely you will get any question based upon this. Not only in trigonometric identities, in trigonometric equation also this is important. From the point of view of trigonometric equation also. Got it? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I lost connection. Could you repeat the range part?
Range part, where you lost each and everything.
No, sir. When you wrote the last formula, sin x plus theta, that's it.
That's it you got. Up to this you got, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I was just asking, what is the range of this?
So
Sin x
minus
plus
1
theta.
to 1.
So you can simply multiply this, na? Because this is a constant. Your a is constant, b is constant. So root under a square plus b square will be constant.
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me. Asmita, do you remember 2 sin x range? So what you have done? You know the range of sin x. Sin x range is from where to where? And then you have multiplied with 2. So final answer minus 2 to 2. Do you remember that? We have already done.
Yes, sir.
So same thing over here. So if you multiply with minus 1, you will get this. And if you multiply with plus 1, you will get this. Tell me.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Clear? Any doubts, sir? Anyone? We'll do 2-3 questions. That's all. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All of you have noted down? Done?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, fine. Question. Range of y equals to. Acha, one more thing. All of you have noted down?
Yes, sir.
Sir, how to remember the formula? See, what I said, a and b are what? Constant. A and b are what? Constant. And one more thing you remember, that here in the form, in this, you are finding the range of a sin x plus b cos x. Remember that here the angle, whatever angle is there with sine, same angle is there with what? Cos. Do you remember? Tell me, sir. Do you remember
Yes,
or not?
sir.
You have to
Yes,
remember
sir.
this. Okay? Okay. Now my question is 12 sin 2x minus 5 cos 2x plus 1. Okay. So what is the angle here? 2x. Is the same angle is here? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if the same angle is there, so I am getting the sense of this part I am getting the sense of what? A sin x minus b cos x. Tell me, do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting it? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So if I ask you what is the range for this, what you will say? Sir, minus root under 12 square plus of minus 5 square. because the coefficient of cos 2x is -5 and the coefficient of sin 2x is 12. Do you agree? Comma, root under 12 square plus of -5 square. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Any doubt do you have? Tell me.
No, sir.
And you have to do +1. Okay, sir, we will do +1. Any doubt, sir?
No, sir.
So what is this?
Minus
Square
12
root
to
of this is
14.
what?
13.
Plus 13.
-13 to +13 and +1 you have to do. So we will do +1. So if I add in -13 +1, what I will get?
Minus 12.
13 + 1 will be how much?
14.
Any doubt, sir? So this will be your range. It's very easy, na?
Yes,
Tell me.
sir.
But remember one thing, what I told you?
The angles have to be same.
Any doubt? Tell me.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Any doubt,
Could
sir?
you show the proof once again?
Okay. This is the proof. Shruti, is it clear? The proof is clear or not?
Yeah, I just wanted to see whether it was plus or minus b cos x. That's it.
See, Shruti, whether it is plus or minus, it does not matter. Why, sir? Are whole square is there, na?
Yes, sir.
B square, A square. So it doesn't matter. Got it?
Got it.
If I instead of writing -5, if I have written by mistake +5 also, +5 square also, so it is fine, na? 5 square or -5 square. We will
Doesn't
same
matter.
25 only. Got it? But here minus and here plus will be there. Got it? Is it clear? Can I give you another question?
Yes, sir.
I will just take 7 to 8 minutes more. That's all. Okay. You just find the range, okay, not the minimum. Range of y equals to 4 sine 2 x minus 6 sine square x. Okay, then what? How to do, anyone?
The perfect square.
So
No, not perfect square.
So we can factorize it.
Array
into x.
angles are different. How
you
you
can
can
make it
factorize?
to
Minus
cos
square
square.
x equal to cos 2x.
Yeah, you can
What?
make sine
Sir, we
square.
can expand sin 2x.
No, you
Acha,
can make
if
sine
you want
square
to
x to
see.
cos 2x.
Yeah. If you expand sine to x, then you will create more jhamela. Why, sir? Array, you have learned what? A sine x plus b cos x, na? You have not read about sine x into cos x, but you are creating here sine x into cos x by expanding sine to x.
So, but we
It's
can take
better
sin
to
x
convert.
common.
Yeah, what?
So we can take sin x common, right?
Then what?
Oh, yes. Sir.
Then
Got it.
what? Then you want to write down here -1 to 1 and write down the range of this. No. That is also wrong. Are you
Yes.
getting it?
Yes.
Tell me.
Yes.
You can put the range only at once. Why you are wrong, I will tell you. When you have find the range of this, did you have used the range value of this? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So, got it or not? Why you are wrong?
Yes. Sir.
Manit,
Yes, I got it.
clear, na? Okay. So I think it's better, Avino. What you tell? Can you convert
sir.
sine square x
Can
in
we-
terms of 2 theta angle?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
1 minus cos
1
2x by
minus
2.
Okay, so I will do that. Are you getting it? Why I'm not doing this? Manit
Yes, sir.
said that, sir, you can take sine x common. So it will become, this term will become 8 times cos x. And this will become -6 sine x. And then using the formula of range, I can write down the range. Yeah, it's fine. And here also I can multiply -1 to 1. No. That is wrong. Why, sir? This whatever formula you got, there you have used this funda, taken the range once only. And again you are using here. So it won't work. Are you getting it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Is it clear? Any doubt? Is it clear, everyone? So it's better. See, here what is the angle? 2x. Can I convert sine square x? See, when sine square x is there, cos square x is there, you can convert into multiple angle. You know the formula. So I can simply write down 4 sine 2x minus this 6. I can write down what?
2 sine square.
So 4 sine 2x. 2 sine square x is what?
Cost.
1 minus cos 2x.
So how much you are getting? I think I'm getting this.
-8.
So what would be the range of this range?
That will be -5 to 5.
5 to 5.
-3 you have to do, na? So finally,
-8 to 2.
Any
Minus
doubt?
8 to 2.
any doubt, sir? Anyone?
No, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this you got. Okay, one question for homework. Okay, this you note it down. Okay. You have to find the range. Okay. This is a very easy question. What is this angle? This angle is what?
degrees.
Acha, this is 60. So can I write down a formula in place of this? Are you getting a sense of the formula? Sine A minus B?
Yes.
Sine X cos 60 minus cos X sine 60. Tell me. And here 3 is also there. So 3. 5 sine X is also there. Tell me. Plus 10. Any doubt, sir?
No, sir.
Cos 60 is how much? Cos 60? 1 by 2. Tell me. Sine 60?
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. Any doubt?
No,
Then
sir.
what you will do? This is cos term. Okay. Then what you will do? This is sine term. One more sine term is there. So just take the coefficients. Take sine common. Write down the coefficient. Did you get it? So if you simplify, you will get this. Tell me, sir.
Yes, sir.
And here you will get,
Yes.
and here you will get plus 10. I think you can find out the range of this. Tell me. You
Yes,
can find
sir.
out the range of this, na?
Yes, sir.
It's easy. Got it or not? Any doubt? Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Find maximum, last question. Okay. Maximum value of the expression. All of you are getting or not? Whatever I'm teaching you.
Yes, sir.
3 sin theta cos theta plus 5 cos square theta. This is given. Okay. So what they are asking you value of this. How to get maximum? Anyone?
So we have to get minimum of the denominator.
Very good. So this should be minimum. Any doubt? So if I assume that as t T is sine square theta plus 3 times sine theta cos theta plus 5 times cos square theta. Then what to do? Anyone?
So
You tell me.
you can like convert it to like equation with sine square theta plus cos square theta, and you can then like after you'll get 1, and then you can use that formula which is on top.
Okay, then what? You are saying that here sine square theta is there, here 5 sine square theta is there. So I can take 1 sine cos square theta here and I can club with this. So this will become 1 plus 4 cos square theta plus 3 sine theta cos theta. Then what? After that?
You can make that 3 by 2 sine 2 theta, and 4 cos
Very
square
good.
theta will
So
become 2 into 1
yes.
plus cos 2 theta.
Yes. So it is 1 plus 4 times, or you can put cos square theta as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Do you agree? And this is 3 by 2 sine 2 theta. Any doubt, sir? Any doubt, anyone? So this 2 cancel. So here 2 into 1 you will get 2 plus 1 you will get 3. So 3 plus 2 cos 2 theta plus 3 by 2 sine 2 theta. So I can apply my formula here, na? Range formula. Tell me. Range formula I can apply here. Any doubt? So what is the square of this? And what is the square of this? So 4 plus 9 by 4. Square root of this is how much? Tell me. 16. 5 by 2.
5 by 2.
So the range of this will be from minus 5 by 2 to 5 by 2. Any doubt? Any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
And you have to add 3, na? So it will be how much? 3 minus 5 by 2 will be how much? 1 by 2. And 3 plus 5 by 2 will be how much? 6 plus 5.
11 by
6 plus 5, 11 by 2. Acha. What you said, this was your T. So T should be minimum, na? In order to get this expression as maximum, T should be minimum. Do you agree? So minimum value is how much? 1 by 2, na? So then Y max will be how much?
2.
1 upon 1 by 2, which is 2. Any doubt? Any doubt, sir? Tell me.
No, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Acha, in your booklet, in your mains assignment, you will see that some question based upon period is there that you won't be able to do it as of now. And your exam also, we are not giving questions based upon period, whatever which is not taught. Okay. One, this thing. Second, transformation of graph. I told you earlier also. This we are going to learn in where? Where?
Trigonometry equation.
No, not trigonometric equation. Function chapter. This is also in function chapter. This is also in function chapter. Period. Got it? Is it clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
that's why I'm not teaching here. Okay. Is it clear? And it won't be in there in your exam also. Don't worry about that. Is it clear or not, sir? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you prepare your exam. Your main focus should be compound angles. Second, transformation formula, which we have done. Do you remember sin C plus sin D, cos C plus cos D? Third, multiple and submultiple. Very important, this 3 part. Any doubt? Tell me, sir. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So now you can do your assignment, okay? Mains as well as advanced assignment. And whatever questions you are not getting, you just send it to me, okay? And this week you are not having any doubt session and all, okay? From next week, I will just see that whether I will be getting your doubt session or Rajan sir. I will ask him to take.
Sir, will we
Okay.
have weekly quiz on Sunday?
Weekly quiz,
On Sunday.
weekly test you are asking, na?
Yeah, weekly test, sorry.
No, weekly test, why it will be there? Acha, you have test on what?
Saturday.
Saturday. That means this coming Saturday, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I no weekly test will be there then. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's end the session.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, I have multiple doubts in the main assignment. So should I send all of them?
Ayush, you are saying.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can send it to me or you can post it in the doubt group. I told you now that tomorrow I will be free, so I will be sending you the answer of all your doubts. Don't worry
Sir,
about it. Yeah.
in the 19th question under transformation, for the second
Question.
term.
Can you tell me the question or can you send it to me?
Okay, so I'll send it after class.
Okay, send it to me. What's the question? Tell me.
It's 1 by cos alpha plus cos 3 alpha.
All things
Plus,
in the 1 by.
Yes, sir. And sir, the only doubt I have is in the second term, they've given it as sine alpha plus cos phi alpha. And then the end, they've given a general term as
Yes.
1 by cos alpha plus cos of 2n plus 1 alpha. So is
Okay,
that
then I have
supposed
to just see the question. Okay, can you send it to me?
No, 1 second.
Because you are telling it's a series type question, na?
I think it was supposed to be cos alpha only.
Maybe. One question which you send na, that is wrong. Okay, today only I send. Okay, sine 1, sine 2, sine 179 it was, na Ayush?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This question it's wrong. Okay, there's some mistake. Did anyone get?
So it should have like sine 0 or sine 180, right?
No, not Ayush. The question might be like this: log of sine 1 or log of sine 2, likewise up to log of sine 179.
So I sent the question.
Okay, so log of sine 90 will be there, na Ayush?
Yes, sir.
So log of sine 90 is 0. So that's why whole thing is 0. Got it?
Oh yeah, yes, sir.
So there is an error. Okay. Acha. Alpha 3 alpha. Okay, then yeah. I think there is some typing error. Okay, it won't be sine alpha, it must be cos alpha then. Hello.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, this is a typing error. Anything more? Hello. So you just do one thing, you just send your doubts. Okay, is it clear, everyone?
Sir, I just had like one doubt.
Yeah.
So like,
Yeah.
I think multiple questions were related to that. So, should
What?
so like how like they'll give you any, so can I send it in WhatsApp?
Yeah, you can send it to me. Okay, Ayush. Whatever question you are sending, I will just send you the solutions. Okay, or otherwise I will send you the instruction in the WhatsApp only. Okay, so that you can solve. Clear?
Sir, I sent it.
Okay, now only you have sent. Yeah, tell me what. This question you have to do apply componendo and dividendo. Okay, I think. And I see all this question now. You just send the option also, because looking at the option you get the idea that how to solve. Okay. See, in trigonometry now, see, most of the time I have given you options. Do you remember while solving? Why? Because looking at the option now, you will get the idea how to initiate and where to get. Got it? So what you do, just first do squaring both the sides. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And then rearrange the terms. Then you will get the sense of cos 2 alpha formula. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Got
sir.
it, Ayush? Just think about cos 2 alpha formula in terms of tan, okay? That you will get. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, let's end the session then. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.